guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for another CVS deals video. This is the second week of this ad cycle and we still have some good deals going on. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And I have some very good filler items in this video in case you have any threshold CRT that you need a filler item for. Let's start with the Hershey's singles. On sale for 2 for $2.50, and when you buy 2, you get $1 back. Pick up 2, pay $2.50 and get $1 back, making them just $1.50 or 75 cents each. And if you have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT or 20 off 100, this will make a very good filler item. My next deal is on Sensodyne mouthwash. They're on the deal of buy 1 get 3 back. Pick up one price at $7.99. I don't have any coupon for this item, but if you do, you can add it, then adjust your math. Without any coupon, pay $7.99 and get 3 back, making it just $4.99. If you don't mind paying out of pocket and if you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. Another cheaper way you can do this deal if your store have it in stock, as you can see mine is all wiped out, is the Kids Sensodyne toothpaste, priced at $5.29. Pay the $5.29 and get $3 back, making it just $2.29. My next deal is on Oral-B toothbrush, on sale for $4.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 Oral-B Brilliance toothbrush, and they will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.98, and you get 4 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. My next deal is on Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $4.98 and you get 4 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Some of the deals I have in this video can be a very good filler items in case you need them. And the next one I have will be on Clean and Clear Acne Care. They're on the deal of spend 8, get $3 back. Pick up 1 acne toner priced at $7.99 and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 8. Pay $7.99 and get 3 back, making it just $4.99. The next one I have is on Clearasil. It's on the deal of buy 1 get $2 back and the cheapest I can find is the 5-in-1 treatment priced at $6.99. Pick up 1, pay $6.99 and get 2 back, making it just $4.99. My next deal is not giving back any extra care box and that's on 25-count Neutrogena facial wipes. They're on sale for $5.69. Pick up 2 and both will total $11.38. Check your app. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. And if you have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT, the coupon and the CRT will take off 7 and drop it down to just $4.38 for both or $2.19 each. If you don't have the 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT, then your new subtotal will be $7.38 after the 4 off 2 Neutrogena digital coupon, making each pack just $3.69. The next deal I have is buy any Cetaphil facial care, then you get $3 back. Pick up the Gentle Cleansing Bar, priced at $5.79. Pay $5.79 and get 3 back, making it just $2.79. The next deal I have is on Method Hand Soap, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, priced at $5.19 each, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.60. These 2 will total $7.79. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.79 or $2.90 each. My next deal is on Bactin Pain Relieving Spray, priced at $11.29, and it's part of the buy 1 get $5 back. Pick up 1, pay $11.29 and get $5 back. Then check Ibotta because it's giving back $2.87 for this item. That will end up making it just $3.42 only. The next deal I have is buy 2 any banana boat sun care, then you get $5 back, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick up 2 banana boats after sun care, priced at $8.99, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $4.50. These 2 will total $13.49. Use $2 off hang tag if you can find them at your store. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $9.49, and you get 5 back, making them just $4.49 or $2.25 each. Last week, I shared this Nivea deal on body lotion, but this week I have it on men shave products. And the deal with this is spend $20, get $10 back. Pick up 3 Nivea shave gel priced at $6.59 each. These 3 will total $19.77, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Pay $19.77 and you get 10 back, making them just $9.77 or $3.26 each. Raw sugar hair care or bath and shower are on the deal of spend 15, get 5 back. Pick up 1 raw sugar body wash priced at $9.49 and 1 Kiss shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.59. These 2 will total $15.08. Pay that and get $5 back, making them just $10.08 or $5.04 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 back on Monday hair care or body wash. Pick up 2 Monday leave-in conditioner on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $6.29. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These 2 will total $9.44. Use the $1 off digital coupon to drop it down to $8.44 and you get 4 back, making them just $4.44 or $2.22 each. The next deal I have, I'm sorry I don't have the video clip, but I have the picture of the products, and that will be on Dove Hair Care. They on spend 20 get $10 back, and these are priced at $5.99 each. Pick up 4 and they will total $23.96. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $18.96 and you get 10 back, making them just $8.96 or $2.24 each. The next deal I have is on Shea Moisture, and they're on the deal of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 2 defining styling gel priced at $11.49 each. My store only have 1, but if you can find 2, this will be your breakdown. The 2 will total $22.98. When I scanned this item, 2 coupons came up, and that's a 5 off 2 Shea Moisture hair care digital coupon and a $5 off digital coupon. Both will double dip and take off 10, dropping it down to $12.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you're doing this deal, pay attention when you check out, because last week some of the coupons were not double dipping. My next deal is spend 15 get $5 back, and the Windex glass cleaner are part of this deal. Pick up 3, they are priced at $5.49 each, and the 3 items will total $16.47. I don't have any coupon for these items. Pay $16.47 and you get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means you get back $4.50 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these 3 will end up costing just $6.97 or $3.32 each. The next deal I have, I shared it last week, but I feel like it's a very good deal, and it's on Palmolive and Ajax dish soap. They're on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2. Both will total $5.98. The coupons I printed off their websites are not working, so pay $5.98 and you get 2 back, making them just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get $5 back on participating Wick, Lysol or finished products. Pick up 1 Wick Essential Starter Kit on sale for $11.99 and 1 refill on sale for $6.99. These 2 will total $18.98. Check your app. We have a $6 off coupon for the starter kit. That will drop it down to $12.98 and you get 3 back, making them just $9.98 or $4.99 each. The last deal I have in this video, even if you picked it up last week, you can still pick it up again this week. It's on the Purex. They're on sale for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you get $4 back. Pick up 1, pay $9.99 and get $4 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making it just $3.99 only. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.